Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to use mySchneider portal, the platform replacing Check a Product front office. Today, we'll guide you through 5 steps to access detailed environmental product information as a customer. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into mySchneider. As a customer, simply create an account to get started. Step 2. Search for product declaration. If you're looking for product declarations, just head to the menu, go to Product, then Tools and Resources, and click on Product Document and Image Library. Scroll down to Products and Looking for a Document, click on Product Document and Image Library. To search for a single product, enter its commercial reference in the search bar. To search for multiple products, upload an Excel file with a list of references in column A. Then, upload the file. Step 3. Filter and check results first. Select the Sustainability Document category. Then choose All Languages to ensure you see all available documents. Now all sustainability declarations are displayed. More filters are available per document type, such as environmental compliance declarations, circularity profiles, or sustainability certificates if needed. Step 4. Download results. To download your results, you can select them individually or click on Select All, then click on Download. Step 5. Check Downloads. You will receive a zip file containing all selected documents, along with an Excel file that maps each commercial reference to its corresponding documents. To ensure links work properly, unzip the Schneider Electric Downloads zip file into a folder named Schneider Electric Downloads, located in the same folder as the current Excel file. And that's it! You're now ready to explore and download environmental information for Schneider Electric products with ease. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, or reach out if you need any help.